Now, how can you manage reminders on the iPhone? Let me show you the way that I like to use it and help you out with that. So, of course, if you're new here, definitely become part of the community so you don't miss future uploads and videos like this. So, actually, I think that the best reminders app is the one you use by default from Apple. So I wouldn't even update, or I wouldn't download anything else from the App Store. So inside of this, when you open it up for the first time, you have a few categories, like you have the today view, scheduled, all, flagged, completed. But the most important part is the lists below. So the list can be managed manually, so you can tap on the plus button and set up a new reminder, or go to the list mode and set up a new list. So this is the way to manage and organize your reminders, right? So when you tap, as I said, the three dots or the button and at the top, you can see that we can create a new list, which we name it, we give it a name. Then of course, choose the type, if it's going to be standard or something else, and choose the colors and icons, right? So as you can see, we have some ways to customize it and organize stuff. So you might have a few lists, for example, reminders for groceries. Then you might have reminders which are work related, and you can separate it by the different lists, right? So it's like the folders for reminders, but you can get inside as such, tap on the plus button and to start a new reminder. So of course, you might be quick with it and just quickly jot down what you think and, leave the app and confirm it. But you can as well tap on the information icon next to it on the right and then go a bit deeper with it. So you can manage it in a sense that you choose a specific date and a time, perhaps even turn on it that it's urgent. The organization is right here, so you can even switch it to a different list, but you can even put some subtasks which belong to this task, or you can flag it or give it a different priority level, add the location or add the image, URL, some notes, right? So you can see it gets much deeper once you go into the customization mode and manage the reminders on that deeper level. So that is essentially how we can use it. Of course, I would also add a widget to the home screen so I can see it clearly at all times, but that is all for me. I really hope that I can assist you and help you out with that. For now, that's it, and I hope to see you later in the future videos too.